how to change Gmail password. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Google app on your mobile device, and once open, tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, simply tap on Manage Your Google Account option. After that, simply tap on the security option available in the top. Once inside the security, you will get to see password option available there. Simply scroll down and tap on the only password option. Once you tap on the password, you will be navigated to enter your Gmail account password. Now, all you have to do is enter your Gmail account password and you will be navigated to change your password option. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply tap on the try another way option available in the blue highlights and then tap on the get help. Now here you'll have to enter any old password you remember. I have entered one of it. Now all you have to do is wait for Google to send you the verification link on your Gmail. The verification link will be sent within the 6 hours, so make sure you keep checking on your phone, and after you get the verification link, simply tap on it and you can reset password from there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.